Good afternoon. This is call number 2005-20452 in the interest of Rashawn Davis. Parties and witnesses, please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Brandon Davis. I'm the father of the child.
Okay, and representing the Attorney General of the State of Texas.
Luis Regla.
Court will note that the custodial parent, Rashwanda Buchanan, is not present. She was personally served on May 16, 2022 at 10:44 a.m. at 1200 Baker Street in Houston, Harris County, Texas. She has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That's correct, Judge.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. I'll also offer what's been marked as State's Exhibit A. This is a financial activity report and I ask that it be admitted.
Mr. Davis, have you had an opportunity to look at this pay record?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any objections will be admitted into evidence?
No, sir.
All right, State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. I'll call the father as a witness now.
All right.
All right, Mr. Davis, the last time a court order was done between you and the mother in this case, that order was from July of 2016, and you were ordered to pay $174 for child support and $31 for medical support. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
However, since that time, your son has now emancipated, right?
Yes, sir.
And before he emancipated, he started living with you since December 1st, 2019 through his emancipation date, May of 2021. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And now in November of 2019, at the very end, the mother went and left the child with you. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
At that time, she was going through a lot of problems and that essentially was homeless. And that's why she left the child to live with you. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And he still lives with you to this day. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And so you're requesting the court to grant you possession credits towards your child support arrears starting December 1st, 2019, up until the child emancipated at the end of May of 2021. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, if we were to look at your pay record and the exhibit, the pay record shows that as of yesterday's date, your child support arrears balance was $34,804.08. And you're requesting the court to grant you possession credits of $3,500 towards that arrears balance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, as evidence of where the $3,500 comes from, we did the math on the child support plus interest and came up with Exhibit B, which shows all that math totaling $3,500.01. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, Judge, at this time, I'll offer State's Exhibit B, which is a shorthand rendition of all the math that was done to show that the possession credits from December of 2019 through May of 2021 totals $3,500.01, and I ask that Exhibit B be admitted.
You had an opportunity to look at that, Mr. Davis?
Yes, sir.
You have any objection to me admitting it into evidence?
No, sir.
All right, State's Exhibit B is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. So, Mr. Davis, after we back out the possession credits released, that would leave a balance of $31,304.07 on the child support side. And you've agreed to repay that at $300 a month beginning November 1st, 2022. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And the medical support judgment, using the pay record we have showing the balance also as of October 5th, 2022 is $10,114.94. And you've agreed to repay that at $86 a month, also to begin November 1st, 2022. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And sir, do you believe today's court order is in the best interest of your son?
Yes, sir.
And are you asking the court to grant this default order today? And are you asking the court to grant this order today, Mr.
Yes,
Davis?
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Judge, I'll pass the witness. That's all I have.
Okay, the court will approve the order submitted. All parties are excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Mr. Davis. You can disconnect now. Have a nice day.
What we was talking about earlier, can you email me the information
Yes.
about the passport and stuff?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much for your time.
Goodbye.
All right. Thank you.
Good afternoon. This is call number 2013-67545 in the interest of Jada Smith. Please identify yourself for the record.
Kavita Sharma for the Office of the Attorney General.
All right, court will note that the custodial parent, Amanda Baxter, is not present. She was personally served on July 20th, 2022 at 12:42 p.m. And she has not appeared to file an answer. Is that correct, Ms. Sharma?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will also note that the non-custodial parent, Julian Smith, is not present. He was personally served on July 7th, 2022 at 8:58 a.m. at 3899 Highway 98, New Boston, Bowie County, Texas, and he has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, sir. I would also like to ask the court to take judicial notice of the prior child support review order that was signed August 21st, 2014. And Judge, I'd also like to ask the court to admit into evidence the financial activity report, which has been marked as State's Exhibit Number 1.
Court will note the prior order.
And the financial activity report, Your Honor, that's been marked as State's Exhibit 1.
Yeah, little patience.
Yes, Judge. In that prior order, Your Honor.
Wait.
Sorry, Judge.
All right, State's Exhibit 1 is admitted.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Sometimes I forget that there may be some technical audio issues. On the prior order, Your Honor, we asked, the court set child support at $315 monthly beginning January 1, 2014. And there is an arrearage of $52,576.02. We're asking the court to take a judgment in that amount against Mr. Smith. Additionally, $100 in medical support was ordered January 1, 2014 monthly, and Mr. Smith is in the arrears of $13,076 as of September 30th, and we're asking the court to take a judgment against Mr. Smith for that amount as well. However, Your Honor, we're asking to set a payout at $0 on the judgment and modify the child support to 0 because Mr. Smith is currently incarcerated, and we anticipate he'll be incarcerated for the next 90 days or more. And I did not mention medical support modification. That will also be modified to 0. And court cost as billed to Mr. Smith, the non-custodial parent. And it seems as though there was a non-disclosure order that was previously on the order from 2014. We're asking the court to keep that non-disclosure order regarding Ms. Baxter's address. And that is all I have for you, Your Honor.
Okay, the court will approve the order as submitted.